This is exciting. It's also told me how to focus. Good Pee Wee Herman. Here we are in Ed's room. This is Ed's room. Isn't this an exciting room? I think so. There's Ed's fan that's blowing. And there's Ed's closet. His dresser. Sunset Boulevard. Does that mean that Ed is a hooker? There's his guitar with the broken strings. And his TV. And his bed. And his telephone. Oh, what plentiful things. Oh, and there's Tim. He's inside Ed's room. He's making fun of Ed's broken strings. Play us a song, Tim. See how good it's... Oh, and there's John. Hello, John. You're under Sunset Boulevard. Act like a hooker, John. Oh. Ooh, jam, Tim, jam. And here we go. The low shot.
That's almost as good as that the other night. Oh, I didn't see that.
Ed, get off the car, dang it.
And people, what does this remind you of? Oh, look out! We're getting too close to the fan! We're getting too close to the fan!